nigo bono ababwatani bose byombe ao inse iyo obomo bwa Water and Sanitation Company Wasco ebyombe ebyo byamache bikonekia chigosori cyabase ntunde ya 14 nigo bomerana segeti ye chigosori kya Gusii ase omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Musike Paul Simba Arati ara omoigoyo chigosori ekyo ase ntunde ya 14 nigo kirache konekiwa ase egeti ekyo nabo igase county ya Kisii ase omugavana Paul Simba Arati arireira yogochia kubwatesia ebyombe ebyo nabo ikokonekia serikali county ya Kisii nechikokonya obomo bwo ebyombe ebyo byamache konekia goikirania chigosori ekyo muri kito dipo nasanya nwarenga sensemeyo twargane robot riga senchira yoboikirana
Ituko lya lero imejegeti kya Gusii Stadium abateneneri bebyombe byamache koruchi county ao ngo baomerana asokoroberia chigosori chinene kya Wasco ekyo kiranyara gukorekana omutinyu 5 na 3 omwaka oyoiga county ya Kisii nigo bono yenyoreri bagalia bene lientunda ya 14 asokonyora chigosori echiga
shida ya maji Kenya iko juu sana na hata sasa hivi tena kucheza you will sweat to drink water but remember there are women children are not having enough water. My request is all the company waters to alliance with the assembly committees of water tushikane pamoja tuone ndio tutasuluhisha shida ya maji. Ukikana hii committee ama vile kamati kwa change inaendelea kwa government unless the county governments are ready and work together with company water and the assembly tegeze sheria ambazo safeguard our water resources.
Muroberio bagokogokerwa na kuragwa no mugavana bwe county ya Kisii omweshimiwa Paul Simba Arati nigateba ng'abu nabarai goikaba chikoenekia ingaba ikiranirie chira chiri balirete abana inchi.
Sisi tutaungana na Wakenya wengine to make sure the very people who have voted for us wameona matunda ya uongozi. Vile Mwana anaitwa Brembe amesema, as the spokesman of Kisii, we are trying to bring all our leaders together and we will give direction. As a community alone, we may not make it. We must make sure all other communities they are together.
Nonyina bo abaraikuru ase county ya Murang'a nigo baba bakoerera obuya bwe chigosori echiga anene ase ntunde yaiga imeye county ya Kisii.
Murang'a is not the same. The economy of Murang'a, as you have heard from the chair of Wasco, has improved from that, and I hope that will be the same case here in Kisii County. As we pass on this baton, we are very confident that Kisii County will take it and will carry on the spirit of Wasco Games to even greater heights. We can see even the environment, mandhari itself can tell that you're going to have an even more impactful event.
Chinga kecho boigomo konyi bo mugavana we county ya Kisii omweshimiwa Elijah Obebo.
To assure our guests from the water companies that Kisii is good, Kisii is great. It's just not about the pitch that you are praising, but much more, including the Matoke you have just asked.
To all the teams preparing for the games, be prepared that Kisii will pick every trophy.
Ensemana yo omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati nigo bonera lyambu ya mono omurai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto.
Ruto, wacha niseme ukweli, alijitolea mwanga sana kuhakikisha kwamba baba ashinde kiti ya DA. Lakini bahati mbaya hii vita ya Kongo ilifanya nini? Ikatokea. Hao watu wa SADC wakasaliti sisi.
Bwana wetu pongezi sana.
Kuripoteri kataseni kia ukia gatembe kuroiga segeti kia Gusii Stadium kikotoke meye county ya Kisii. Iletina na inkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.